With just a few familiar ingredients and zero cooking, you'll get a golden, naturally fragrant syrup loved by many to aid digestion, enhance a healthy lifestyle, and start the day feeling lighter and more refreshed. Since this is a raw pickling syrup recipe, I pay extra attention to hygiene right from the start. The apples keep their skin on, and the ginger has many tiny crevices that easily trap dirt, so they both need a thorough cleaning before preparation. I soak the apples and ginger in water, mixed with a bit of baking soda, for 10 to 15 minutes to remove any wax coating and dirt, then rinse them clean. Special note, make sure the ingredients are completely dry. Even a tiny drop of residual water can cause the whole batch of syrup to mold during fermentation. Don't rush. Take a few extra minutes for this step because when it comes to your health, it's completely worth it. Now, I'll start the prep work. First, the ginger. I grate the ginger into fine strips. Grating the ginger first helps its signature fragrant oils infuse more easily into the syrup, creating a pleasantly subtle, warm spice. Next up are the apples. Apples contain a lot of juice and oxidize quickly if left out in the air. Shredding the apples right after the ginger is ready allows them to be coated in honey immediately, preserving their fresh taste and natural color. Place everything into a sterilized glass jar, pour in the honey, and use a wooden spoon to mix thoroughly. Avoid using metal utensils, as they can react with the apple cider vinegar or honey. Cover with a lid and leave it at room temperature for 4 to 12 hours or overnight for convenience. During this time, the honey will gradually draw out all the natural juices from the apples and ginger, forming a smooth, golden syrup at the bottom. Once the apples and ginger have released their juices, it's time to add the apple cider vinegar. Why don't we add the apple cider vinegar right at the beginning? That's because if added too early, the vinegar's acidity can slow down the juice extraction process of the apples and ginger. By waiting until the natural juice is drawn out by the honey, we allow the apple cider vinegar to penetrate the ingredients faster, creating a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Stir gently until everything is well combined. Seal the jar tightly and let it steep for 2 to 3 days in a cool, dark place. On the third day, use a fine strainer and press thoroughly to extract the purest liquid. Looking at this glowing, silky golden syrup, it truly is a sight to behold. Once finished, store the syrup in the refrigerator to keep it fresh longer and maintain the best flavor. How to use warm drink. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of syrup with about 150 milliliters of warm water and drink it in the morning. This is my absolute favorite way to kick off the day. The blend of apples, ginger, honey, and naturally fermented apple cider vinegar creates a popular syrup choice for supporting digestion, boosting a healthy diet, and making mornings feel much lighter. This is a healthy, supportive drink, not a substitute for medication or medical treatment. If you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medication, please consult your doctor before use. And that's it. A homemade jar of apple, ginger, and apple cider vinegar syrup. No cooking, no preservatives, just a few everyday ingredients, and a little patience. If you give this a try, come back and comment in a few days to let me know how it tastes. I'd love to know whether you prefer it chilled or mixed with warm water. And if you found this video helpful, a like and a share would mean the world to me and motivate me to share more raw pickling recipes. See you in the next video.